Hello, dear traders, you're watching ИнстаФорекс TV with me, Екатерина Стихина. During our weekly link up, we are going to talk about the quartz dynamics of the main trading instruments and forecast the further movement with the help of our technical expert, Petr Jakimovic. The behavior of the most popular currency pair, Euro-USD, is influenced by the Deutsche Bank crisis. Investors are afraid that the uncertainty with the banking giant Deutsche Bank could delay the weakness in Europe's financial system. Hello, Petr. How can traders play this card?
Hello, dear traders. I'm expecting upward price on the Euro-USD. Basically, I found according to the daily time frame, the symmetrical triangle and the breakout of that symmetrical triangle and the very healthy price action there. Also, I found a successful retest of the supply trend line of the triangle, and I found closing some like doji candle on the test of that symmetrical triangle. So also I placed the moving averages, so I found the prices above the 50 simple moving average, 21 and also 200 price respected very successfully the 200 simple moving average according to the daily time frame, and right now is respecting the 21 simple moving average. So my advice to watch for buying opportunities on the dips on this currency pair, and the first take profit level is at the price of 1.1280, and then the next target is 1.1325, and the third target is at 1.1360. Again, even everything is bullish so far according to this symmetrical triangle breakout, and the price is above the 3 key moving average according to the daily time frame. The second scenario will be if the price go lower and the price breaks the level of 1.1120. My advice to watch you change your view and to watch for selling opportunities in case the price basically go below 1.1120. But for now, watch for buying opportunities. Again, watch for buying opportunities and dips. Watch for potential patterns for bullish flags, flat bases and so on. Watch for breakout, and of course, watch the news releases on and high impact news to establish potential pending orders and try to, ride the momentum.
How predictable is a GBP USD?
I'm expecting a lower price on the British pound USD. It's actually very different from the Euro USD because the British pound USD is basically below the simple moving average 50, below the 100 simple moving average, and far below the 200 simple moving average. So this is a very strong downward momentum and short mid downward trend on this currency pair. I found according to the 30 minutes time frame, basically, I found a potential strong bearish flag formation. And my advice to place the pending sell order around the 1.2975, because this is the 2-day low. In the previous 2 days, this is the low, and this will also confirm the breakout of this potential bearish flag. The price basically stopped. So the British pound went into some rally basically and did some upward corrective phase and stopped near the 1.3040, which is also Fibonacci retracement for the most recent downward leg. Now, since we got this bearish flag and we know that we're in the short mid-term downward trend, my advice to watch for selling opportunities, and the breakout of 1.2975 will confirm that. The potential take profit levels are set at the price of 1.2915, which is a swing low from the background where this flag started basically. And if the price breaks this level, the next downward target will be at 1.2860. So again, watch for news releases on the dollar and the British pound in this scenario, and place a pending order. Watch the swing lows and watch the momentum. And of course, try to build the selling positions on this currency pair.
The Japanese yen is not ready to give up its position against the US dollar. Investors are interested in a stronger yen as a safe haven currency. According to the technical indicators, how long will the yen hold the buyer's attention?
USD Japanese yen is in sideways, let's say, range. But the most recent, I found the strength there and the most recent price action, and actually the retail sales came very bad this week for in Japan, and that actually boosted and confirmed the weakness of the Japanese yen. So we saw the strength on the USD Japanese yen, and also there is some breakout and successful rejection of the strong upward trend line according to the daily time frame, and there is also the breakout of the symmetrical triangle on the lower frames we can find. So this bad retail sales and some good news in US for this week. This moved the USD Japanese yen higher. So for now, this is in bullish mode, and my advice to watch for buying opportunities with the targets at 102.75, 103.30, and 104.35. But anyway, the alternative trading opportunity will be if the price go all the way below 100 level, which is the key support. In that scenario, watch for selling opportunities with the target at 90 level, right? So again, be careful when selling at this stage. But if you see the breakout of the 100 level, then watch for a potential downward momentum and potential testing of 99. So for now, watch for buying opportunities on the dips on this currency pair.
Peter, what other currency pair can be interesting for traders?
I'm expecting upward price in the Euro GBP. This currency pair, I found a strong upward momentum in the past few days, in the past week, basically. And there is a strong upward momentum in this currency pair. Anyway, I found the potential end of the corrective phase, the downward corrective phase, and price right now testing the 200 MA according to the 1 hour time frame. And I placed the Fibonacci retracement levels. I tried to find a different, I tried to find a conclusion area, and I found a strong confluence area at 0.8600. So this level is like critical support in my opinion for this currency pair, and try to establish buying position near this level. So this is a conclusion area in terms of the Fibonacci relation. This represents the different focus points and the different retracement numbers and at the exactly same level. So I found that conclusion area at 0.8600. Since previously I saw the strong upward trend and upward momentum, the successful testing of 200 MA. My advice to watch for buying opportunities with a target at 0.8715.
Peter, thank you for your trading recommendations. See you soon. You've watched ИнстаФорекс TV Link Up with me, Ekaterina Stikhina, and ИнстаФорекс expert Peter Yakimovic. We wish you successful trades and see you next week.